What is up, you guys? I am Delilah Love, coming back at it with another video. Ooh.
Okay. Party. Pass me a cup, I'll take a shot to the headlight.
In today's video, I am going to be doing hair wax. The Mofajang, I think that's called Mofajang hair coloring wax. And the color I have is orange, as you can tell. And I'm going to see if it's going to come out orange. I attempted right here, but that was just a practice try, you know. And I am in my bathroom if I sound pretty weird or whatnot. So the first thing I'm going to do is damp my hair with some water, you know. Yeah, so let's get right into this video. So let's go. I can just tell my hair done grew a lot since I had it braided up so much. And I think I want to part it. I don't know if I want to do it in the middle, but I might part it. Let's see. What side I got the most edges on? I think I'm going to part it. Tangle it. Y'all, this is so hard. Okay, now I can spray. My camera's about to die, so what I'm going to do is spray my hair with some curly products. Some curly products. Because I've been seeing some YouTube videos when everybody else did it. Some people did their hair damp, some people did it when they're dry. But I feel like the better results come out when your hair is damp. And my hair is pretty damp. So then I'm going to go in with some gel. Work it in. Get in there, you know. Some gel. I don't know if I'm putting enough on there, but it's orange, but it's not orange. If you get what I mean. Let me give it another glue. Look at this. I mean, my hair is still curly, you know. Still looking nice. I don't know how it looks in the back. Let me see. How it look, y'all? Looks cute. Now let's do this other side. Cause I wanna go to work half of my hair done. Y'all, I'm so scared. I hope my hair don't fall out. Because I never put no type of color in my hair. None whatsoever. And I know I gotta let this stuff dry. That's why I'm doing it now. Because I gotta be to work in like 3 hours. So hopefully it'll be dry by then. I got a surprise for you when you get here.
Huh?
I got a surprise for you when you get here.
What?
When you get here, you'll see.
No, tell me now.
No, you gotta see it when you get here.
Okay, I'm at the store now. At Lido's. I'm just getting out the car going to Lido's.
Alright.
Alright, baby.
So y'all, I don't know why I ain't stopped the video. This is gonna be a long video, y'all. Okay, you guys, this is the color. You like. But yeah, this is the color. Let me zoom in. So hopefully, I know my camera went dead, but it came back on. It still got the blinking button. Like boom, boom. It's gonna cut off so I'm trying to hurry up and talk. So let me cut this down a little bit. Maybe I need to cut it up. So this is the final color of the wax. And hopefully it looks pretty at the end of the day. So I'm gonna record again after I'm done throughout the day to see if it lasts, okay? Bye. Bad, but you could clearly see it. It's on there. So yeah, this is how it looks. For whatnot. I'm on my way to work, so bye.